Okay, thank you so much. Hello, today this is the Chitrahar and I am a live contestant in this. The Realm of Poems has given a wonderful, precious 10 minutes to give me a chance to recite my poems. And I'm going to recite two poems written by me, which are dealing with my condition. So the one is we are suffering the COVID pandemic this time, and of course everybody is suffering some kind of a little bit mental depression, and we are thinking what is this going on and why is this going on? But we are no one to think about this because there's someone existing as a higher power and which deals with it. So I think so we should leave which are dealing with it and should come do our work as we are told, because I am a great follower of Bhagavad Gita. It is said Ma Phaleshu Kadachana. That is, we should be doing our karma and not think of the fruit which we are going to get. So as a doctor, I am working in my field constantly in curing of these patients, and I am working as a child specialist in Nasik since past 10 years, and I'm working here constantly seeing the patients. It does cause depression, but the poem is a little bit about this. It is about my existence. My existence. I question, what am I? Who am I? This is for, because I'm going through a very difficult phase. So I question to myself, what am I? Who am I? To the Almighty, and try to find out what is my existence. So the name of the poem is My Existence. So here is the poem, first poem, My Existence. I question to what I am, I question to who I am, but I am sure that I persist, for there is a very higher power which makes me exist. It keeps me going in spite of all the troubles, and trickles in my mind that these troubles are just like bubbles, which when their color disappears, are sure to vanish in thin air. My existence doesn't need any affirmation, as my existence is my very own perception, for I always wanted to be where I am, surely to succeed is my aim. My existence is very credible, since I myself perceive myself very valuable. I keep my strength and vigil alive to fight the war of life with a strong drive. The chirping birds in the morning, which I relish, the golden sunshine of the morning, which makes the day bright and ravishing, itself is the very evidence of my existence, for my love and ecstasy of thee is beyond the resistance. The pitter-patter of the lovely raindrops on the earth, which gives sweet aroma from the womb its birth, which fills me with enchantment, and to pour out my heart full of sentiment. This is the very existence and the evidence of my existence, for I enjoy the rain in all its transparence. The lush green fields which surround, on which the cows graze, tinkling their lovely bell sounds. The goats bleat, to which the bliss to enjoy the nature's marvel, for the creations are nature's supermodel. These all prove my existence, and I enjoy them all to the fullest of the perseverance. I am God's made life. And the downfalls I have, I stand in spite, as I consider myself very special and unique. For even if I succumb, I will exist. With my thoughts and words, I make sure that even through the ashes, I will persist. So this was my first presentation, My Existence. I hope you like the poem, and this was all the poem about the positivity, the positive mentality which we should have during this time. And I wish that all the members of this group are positive, and we all make a very, very positive and lovely group over here. So, and now second poem is about my profession. It is giving a message to all of you. Now, I'm working as a doctor since past 15 years as a child specialist. I've seen pain, I've seen grief, I've seen people fall apart, I've seen people die, I've seen people live, I've seen people being happy, I've seen people recovering from cancer, I've seen people recovering from corona, and they are happy. But there are some times where people succumb also. So there's grief also. So I have faced both. So such situations which I face, I put to you before you what I see as doctor. So my next poem goes here is about my profession, that is doctors. Yes, By profession, I am a doctor, the one trained in the art of healing. The best description is not really revealing, for doctors have virtues that can't be measured by test, but have certain qualities with which they have been blessed, such as how to really listen, how to calm the anxious mind, being objective and direct, and at the same time being gentle and kind. We are guided by the Hippocratic oath, which we have to observe. We treat everybody with respect which they deserve. We leave our own personal affairs. We make sacrifices on behalf of ourselves. We leave our personal times, for we work and work for the betterment of the patient all time. But still the people think that our profession is a glittery affair. To break the news of someone in the bad health gives us grief, deep grief, and pain, which is very difficult to drain. And in all this hopelessness and negativity, we also try to carry on the treatment and cure the patient in positivity so that the patient has a better future and lives to full of his ability. We know we cannot be perfect since the field of medicine has a knowledge which keeps on to inflate. To stay in the proximity of this knowledge, we strive hard to keep with the prospect so that we can try to mend our patients with full of our ability and without denying them a slightest of humility. But today, at last, sadly, I have to say, in society, doctors are not treated very fair, for we are the same humans as you, but trying to do the duty which is divine, and that is up to the mark it should be. That is our aim very prime. At last, I would like to say and request my all non-medico friends, although we practice a divine art, being one of you, in performing our duties, do not forget we are humans too. So this was a poem on doctors because we go through a lot of things and there are many cases in Maharashtra where doctors are beaten up cruelly, they are harshly beaten up. So this is a poem giving a message, kindly stop violence against the doctors. Because trust your doctor, they are there for your relief. The destiny is written by God. The birth and death is in the hands of God. We are no one to decide that, but we try hard to preserve lives. Thank you very much. I thank all the members, and please I ask the next member to carry on the Chitrahar session ahead. Thank you so much to all the respected members of the realm of poems. Thank you so much.